Hey guys, welcome back. Today is February 28th, and today's daily Stoic is when you lose control. Epictetus wrote, "The soul is like a bowl of water, and our impressions are like a ray of falling light upon the water. When the water is troubled, it appears that the light itself is moved too, but it isn't. So, when a person loses their composure, it isn't their skills and virtues that are troubled, but the spirit which in they exist. And when that spirit calms down, so do those things." You messed up a little, or maybe you messed up a lot. So, that doesn't change the philosophy that you know. It's not as if your reasoned choice has permanently abandoned you. Rather, it was you who temporarily abandoned it. Remember that the tools and aims of our training are unaffected by the turbulence of the moment. Stop, regain your composure. It's waiting for you. Hey guys! If you enjoyed this video and you think that you could do with a bit of daily stoicism in your life, feel free to subscribe and like our page. This is Kendra saying thank you and have a good day.